Hi guys, this is an excerpt from my play UNCAGING Birds. Mary Katherine, a domestic slave, reflects on her life and the sacrifices she had to make for her sister's survival. Enjoy! I oddly miss this place. I remember my bed being right over there. Life was good back then. We would laugh and smile, and we would forget that we were slaves. Susan was happy. Then Mama died, and I was devastated. She died from something Massa calls smallpox. She and Susan were my whole world. She always protected us from the Massa and his people. When she died, we were left defenseless against the Collins. Henry Collins started making Susan sleep in his room on the ground near his bedside, and the Massa started to take a liking to me. Everything culminated when he kissed me after dinner and he bedded me afterwards. I was only 14, but I don't regret it. I did what I had to do for Susan to survive. I agreed to let him have his way with me on 2 conditions: that he would never sell Susan and that he would do whatever he can to protect her. He's failing the second condition by not stopping his son from hitting her, but I don't have the strength to break up our relationship. And I can't. He has so much power over us. He could sell Susan and I to different plantations if he wanted, and we would be separated forever. I am such a failure. I couldn't even protect her from Henry. She's in such misery. And Susan hates me. They all hate me. And they have a good reason to. I sold them out just to advance my own standing with the Collins. I would hate me too.